Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is the second version of my Tropical Paradise makeup tutorial, and I know I've uploaded that first version last year, so probably I've improved a lot. And by the way, last July 4 was my birthday, so I posted a picture which consists of the giveaway mechanics and at the same time the prizes. So if you want to see the prizes, I will give away the Lovely Lashes Cosmetics Lush Lux Silk Eyelashes. This is no partnership with Lovely Lashes, but I just want to give it away. And 2 tickets from Century City Cinemas. These are valid until September 30, 2018. And if you want to do this makeup tutorial, the second version of my Tropical Paradise makeup tutorial, then please keep on watching. And we're taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and taking a flat crease brush and taking the shade Creamsicle and blending it out all over the crease. And we're taking the shade Zulu from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and blending it in all over the crease. This is my reaction to the new song of Iggy Azalea and like, oh my god.
That's back?
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, that'll put you in your place.
Oh girl.
I need my bag quickly, separate 6 degrees, bitches.
And we're taking the shade Milani from the Masquerade palette and we're just going to darken up the outer corner. And we're taking the shade Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill palette and we're just going to darken further the outer corner. And we're taking the shade Abyss in order to further darken the outer corner. This is my technique every time I darken my outer corner, just because it has that depth and it doesn't look flat. And we're taking a flat concealer brush and we're just going to carve out the crease without the tail. And we're taking the shade Central Park and deepening out again the outer corner. And taking the shade Diva and we're just going to pack it on near Central Park. And we're taking the shade Pool Party and we're just going to take it on a packer brush and putting it in all over the crease where we carved out the eyeshadow. And taking the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner and we're just going to do a cat eye. Taking the LA Girl eyeliner in the shade Black and we're just going to set the eyeliner with a liner brush. And what we're going to do here is taking the Milani foundation in the shade Tan, which is my shade, and we're just going to blend it with a beauty blender. And highlighting the shade with the NYX Studio HD Concealer in the shade CW05 and CW6.5, and we're just going to highlight the face. And taking the NYX foundation stick in the shade Almond and we're just going to cream contour the nose. So this is my technique in having a longer and having that visible bridge of your nose, and we're just going to contour the face with a foundation stick as well. And we're taking the powder brush and taking the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 600, which is Golden Beige. Finally, I've got that powder. Like, I've been wanting that powder so much, and kakabili ko lang. So yun, we're just going to take the MAC Studio Perfect foundation powder, and we're just going to set the highlight. And finally, I'm not using a bronzer, and I'm just going to use straight up the contour from Makeup Geek, and this is in the shade Half-Hearted, and we're just going to contour the cheekbones. Yes. And taking the bronzer from the Colourpop Alexis Ren Duo palette, and we're just going to contour the nose. And we're taking the Eyeshadow final powder in the shade Ivory Glow, and we're just going to set the under eye and bake our forehead, and we're just going to sharpen the contour. And we're taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Captivating, and we're just going to blush the face. Usually I set my face after my eyes and lips, but for now, what I'm going to do is set my face before the lips and eyes so that my mascara and lips will not fall down to my face makeup. And we're taking the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Love Bite, and we're just going to line the lips with the liquid lipstick from Vice Cosmetics. This is in the shade Kyemerut, and we're just going to mix those two colors in order to have that nude mauve lip. And we're taking that highlighter from the Alexis Ren palette, and we're just going to highlight the forehead, the cheekbones, the nose bridge, and the chin. We're using the Maybelline Push Up Angel Mascara in order to set our lashes, and we're just going to do that. And taking the NYX eyeliner in the shade Azure, and we're just going to put it on the inner ring. And going back to the shades we've put earlier and taking a pencil brush, and we're just going to smoke out the bottom lash line. And we're taking the mascara and putting it on the bottom lashes. The final step of this makeup tutorial is to put on some lashes from Lovely Lashes. This is in Audacious, and these are my faves. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. Please make sure to like and subscribe down to my channel, and please make sure to enter my giveaway. The Instagram link of that post will be down below also. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!